So the first pair of words here is 담다.
담다. You have to pronounce it as
담다
담다.
because you have the 받침 at the bottom. 담다 and 넣다.
넣다. This was actually requested by one of our viewers. So 담다 and 넣다, they are similar in translation. They both mean to put something in somewhere.
Yeah.
And,
put something in a bag, let's say.
In a bag or in a
넣다.
basket. Or like if you put, for example, salt in, water or to boil something. You're making some soup. You can add ingredients. So which word do you use for which? Yeah, so 담다 versus 넣다.
담다, 넣다.
So can you tell us the difference, Adrian?
담다 is more like in a bag, something you can close, something you can take with you. 넣다 is more like you just put it in.
Oh, you're on the right track.
But I don't know, it's a bit tricky. It has a similar meaning. 넣다.
But for with the same explanation that you just provided, you can actually say 넣다 too. You can
넣다.
put something in a bag. You can say 넣다, and you can carry it with you. You can say 넣다.
담다. That's hard. 넣다.
Yeah. So think of some things that you can 담다, and think of some other things that you can 넣다, and you will see some contrasts.
넣다.
Deep in thought.
소금을.
Yeah.
소금을.
Okay, good example. 소금을 넣다 or 담다.
넣다.
So you can actually use either. So with salt, 소금 is salt. If you say 소금을 담다, you're just putting it in a container.
Yeah.
You're not using it. You're not sprinkling it over some food that you're preparing. You're not using it. Okay. But 소금을 넣다 is you're using it.
Okay.
You're putting it into some, broth or some kind of soup that you're making.
Okay,
Yeah.
넣다.
So there is a difference in that case. So like I said, to give you the answer, 담다 is usually when you are thinking of a container that can contain something, and like you said, you can carry it with you.
Okay.
And it's usually for, not to preserve it, to just keep it for now.
Okay.
Yeah. So 넣다 is in general just put something in somewhere or to use it.
Okay. And 담다 is to keep it.
To keep it, usually. So for example, there are some situations where you can use 담다 but not 넣다. And one example is 마음에 담다.
마음에 담다.
Yeah. 마음에 담다.
Very poetic.
Yeah, it is a poetic
You're an
idiom.
artist, honey.
So 마음 is your mind. And if you put
it
something, some message, somebody's words in your mind, it's just to remember and be angry about it or be happy about it or be worried about it. You keep it, and your heart or your mind is some kind of a container
담다.
for those words. 마음에 담다.
담다.
So
keep it preciously.
Yeah, so you can say 마음에 담지 마세요. Don't
be offended.
Don't let it bother you.
Yeah,
or along the same lines.
Just let it go.
Yeah. Okay. And then another example is 물, water.
물.
Yeah. So you can say 물에 넣다. You put it into water, but since 물 cannot be some container, you can't say 물에 담다.
물에 담다.
It's impossible.
No.
Yeah.
물에 넣다.
물에 넣다.
You put it into water.
Yeah, put it into water.
Okay, very good. So slightly different. I mean, if you look at the definition maybe in online or somewhere, you might see the same translation. But
they do overlap in many cases.
So it's hard to know exactly when to use which. So that's why we're here.
Okay.